Were you videotaping that? Dad, were you videotaping that? Hey, welcome back to Muppet Mayhem. Breaking news. We're going to be doing a Big Hugs Elmo and turning it into a puppet. What's really nice about this Big Hugs Elmo is it already has Velcro to access it. There is a lot of electronics in this, so our device is to unscrew every screw that you can reach and cut the black plate off. So you could slide this through the body. This is Elmo's body. This is his neck up to his head. There's a zip tie right here that you'll need to cut. There's 2 plates in Elmo's mouth that you'll need to cut out, but leave the flat parts in there so his mouth is nice and stiff. You want to take the mechanics out of Elmo's body, but leave the arm mechanics in so his arms aren't that wobbly. Use a poker to poke a hole for the arm control rod. If you want to know how to make an arm control rod, watch our other video called How to Make an Arm Control Rod. Now insert the arm control rod into his arm. Now you have your Elmo Puppet. La 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 la, Elmo's Lab. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you get all our notifications and that thumbs up button. Bye. And if you want to,
Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and leave us any comments as to what puppet you'd like to see us make next. Thanks a lot.